We understand and realise that in real-world manufacturing, certain tubing and pipes are often wrapped in multiple layers of different types of insulation, jackets, plus any other exterior protection. In an assembly like this one that is exposed to different weather in motion, it is important to account for all necessary insulation. In this model, we have a variety of hydraulic hoses that are capable of holding very high pressures and at the same time are used in all types of extreme weather, so outer protection is essential. New with SOLIDWORKS 2026, we can model all of those layers directly inside of our route and even store those groups of layers as favourites to be used in any other projects. To do this, use any desired route, use the coverings command, and then apply either out-of-the-box existing layers or create your own using the SOLIDWORKS material library. Once you select the desired material, select the layer thickness, apply it to the route, and then any other layer with the exact same approach. You will have the opportunity to rearrange the layers if necessary and save the group using the Favourites drop-down menu in the Coverings Property Manager. Let's reuse this cover that we just created by assigning it to 4 additional hoses. We can do so by simply editing the existing route, selecting the hose, and then the group name Vermeer that we just created from the Favourites drop-down menu. And immediately we can see the results. This saves us abundant time by not having to remember the order or thickness of each material at the corresponding section of the layer. Having the right material for coverings will prevent any unexpected interferences during installation and accountability in the total cost of manufacturing. With SOLIDWORKS 2026, creating and reusing custom coverings is easier than ever, providing real-world manufacturing design at your fingertips. Now let's talk about electrical routing. With an assembly of this scale, and just like in many other similar assemblies with a variety of motions, it's important to keep wires, cables and harnesses tight and neatly organised. Having the right definition of the proper wire lengths also allows the installation team to save on wasted materials and account for proper expenses. We all know and love the auto route function. It saves us tremendous amounts of time and effort and can be used with electrical tubing and pipe routes. New in SOLIDWORKS 2026 as an option of auto route is the ability to use guidelines that follow a sketch that defines the path of the route. With electrical components and connection points established with the form of a from-to list, we can create a 3D sketch that drives the route and utilises guidelines following the path and neatly organises the wires, cables and harnesses. This 3D sketch is done at the main assembly level and can use in-context references, such as the convert entities, to ensure that the wires and cables avoid potential interferences. Normally, by using auto route, we'd have to manually click each point to connect components and then modify splines to organise the route. But with the new sketch guided auto route feature, that process is much faster. With one click, we have a fully compliant route that's consistent, faster to create and much less error prone. This is a huge time saver, especially for large assemblies. When detailing a flattened electrical route, it is often necessary to adjust the size of the drawing. There might be either many tables, annotations and drawings, and we run out of space in the drawing sheet. It is often done by rescaling views or adjusting the sheet format to a different size. New in SOLIDWORKS 2026, we can navigate or switch to different sheet formats while the drawing maintains proper size and ratios of all views, tables and annotations. Everything shifts proportionally. We might just need to move some views around to adjust to the new sheet size of the drawing, but without having to modify scales. My annotations stay aligned, my table doesn't overlap the views, and the sheet looks just as professional as before without having to spend extra time cleaning it up. This means greater flexibility and consistency in documentation, no matter the sheet size your project requires. With SOLIDWORKS 2026, these new routing features and enhancements are designed to save time, reduce errors, and keep your work aligned with real-world requirements.